everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. It's that day again guys. 2021 season 17 Idols SA Top 8 competition is starting to be very tough. As much as I love Monique, or as much as we love Monique, but guys, it is what it is. She didn't receive enough vote to be on top 8. Most people on social media were convinced that Monique would be amongst 2021 top 3 because of how best she sings, but that is not going to happen. Anyway guys, she's still very young. She can still come back again next year. We wish her all the best. Today's guest judge was Dineo Ranaka, and I hope you've enjoyed her presence. Guys, let's get back to today's performance. The first performer was Siam Zizi, number 2 was Garabo, number 3 Bulelani, number 4 Daylin, number 5 Ngobile, number 6 is Tutukile, number 7 Barry, and the last performer was Kelvin. Congratulations to our top 8. Let's continue to vote for them. If you already have a winner in mind, please leave your comment below and share with us. Bye.